Okay, today I'm going to show you how to modify a regular bird feeder with perches so that it will accommodate the larger birds. This is just not enough room on these feeders for your cardinals and stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You got a 3/8 inch dowel, and you cut it. I make them, it's about 13 inches. You need 4 of them, and you need the little tie wraps like this. What you do is you take a dowel and you put it on a long edge. Raccoons broke this one and I fixed it, so we're going to have to, probably going to have to go here. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we'll go right here. Take 2, put the tie wrap under like this, just to get it going. And I'm going to show you how to, just to start off, we just get it like this. Try to center it a little bit. Next one, same thing. Okay. And then the other side, same thing. 2. Don't zip them up too tight yet. We got some, you're going to have to move these a little bit to line them up, so you don't want them too tight. You'll be able to zip them up later. Just a little bit snug, not too much. Okay, so there's 2. And on the other side, and come underneath. Okay, don't go on top. You could if you want to, but go underneath. The birds just don't have enough room. Large birds don't. So what you want to do is you want to create space. I'm surprised that some of the people that make these feeders don't understand that Cardinals are ground feeders. But if you give them some space, they'll feed at a feeder with some room. Okay, so we got that. Same thing with blue jays. Of course, you know, we all have to put up with squirrels. But we got a way to take care of that. We don't worry about them too much. There we go. Trying to figure it out. I'm going to show you how to. You got to turn it up a little bit, and on the edges. And then what you do on your corners, okay, move that around. We'll move them underneath. You try to get the correct measurement. We got 1 1/4 there and 1 1/4 there. So then you take this little tie right here and you put it like that. Okay? And then you come like this. You make a little X in your corner. I got a 1 1/4 inch overlap right here, right? Roughly 1 1/4. How much you got over here? Let's see, we got a little too much there. Same. No. Yeah, we'll move it over a little bit. There we go. Okay. So now this, tighten it up a little bit. Come around here, same. They'll push out even. You can line them up a little bit after you get them semi-tight. Actually, I've got several like this, and believe me, the birds really like them. Oh, that's because this is got like that. Okay, we're going to tighten that up. Tighten that up a little bit, keep that over there. Move this back just a little bit more. There we go. Okay. And they work simply because there's more room. We all like more room. You put more people at the table, what do you got to do? You got to put a leaf in it, right? You got to put a leaf in the table. Well, when you get several cardinals on here, they don't have enough room. So if you put little perches on there, there we go. And then you got to be just right. You get it figured out. And tighten that up. Now these are painted white, but that's because I had some extra, you know, from some other China job that I was doing. And they were already white. So there you go. And we just tighten these up. Yeah, I like to pull the little dealies, little fastener parts underneath. Okay, so the little birds, they don't cut their little feet. Alright, put that up there like that. Tighten these up a little bit. I like to keep all the fastener parts underneath. We don't want to hurt their little feet. For sure, we don't want to do that. Okay, so got this. This one. Little deals underneath there. Locks underneath, and there you go. There it is. And now we just take this and snip them off here. See what we got. It's not a big deal. It's easy to do once you pre-cut your stuff, you know. But you'd be surprised how much the birds really like the room. So the chickadees, the tufted titmouses, the cardinals especially. I do it mainly for the cardinals. They really like it a lot. I think I got everything tight. And there you have it. And it works. They like to sit out here on the edges. They can travel down. You can put a couple more tie wraps if you want to. You can put 3. And every now and then they loosen up. You put a fresh one on. But Alma can go over and take a video of the feeders that are already up over there. And they work. It's very simple. 3/8 inch dowel, some tie wraps. I cut them 13 inches so you have some overlap. And these Walmart feeders, they're okay, but they don't get the job done. This gets the job done. So it's Mark signing off from Porter, Texas. Try it.